All right, now we're gonna be doing some takeoffs. This is the moment that everybody's been waiting for. This is when we get our hands dirty and we start doing some calculations. I'm gonna open the elevations, okay? Then we're gonna go to takeoffs. We're gonna do new takeoff. We're gonna name our takeoff. I already have it saved. It's always important on the name to say what the takeoff represent, what those numbers represent. Here on the description, I'm gonna make a note saying that at the time that we did these takeoffs, 75% of the drawings ready, and on this was all basically stucco over wire lath, okay, and texture unknown at this time. Okay, colors, I'm gonna choose something that is very light. Okay, this is not about getting very heavy and painting a lot. It's about very light and very subtle. The reason why is because the reason why I like it very light is because it's going to make it easier for us to then read the um, to read the details. Now, right here, you see scale. It says 3/32 of an inch for equals 1 foot. So where I'm gonna go is from calibrate scale. I'm gonna go to standard scale, and then I'm gonna have an option right here for 3/32. Somewhere I should have 3/32 equals 1 foot. Okay, so this has allowed me to do it. Now, in case you don't have that, you can use these 2 points right here from the center of this to the center of that. But I like to be very precise, very exact, so I just skip that. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna get into the drawings, okay? So this gets fun at first, but then believe me, it becomes a little bit of a repetitive task, and you might be inclined to kind of lose your sense of preciseness, but this is imperative. You're an estimator. You are supposed to be as exact as possible because we rely on this estimate to make money. So this moment, it is very important that you pay as much attention as possible. You've got to be as OCD as possible about this, okay? Because this is going to be very important in the long run. A company cannot be successful if it doesn't have exact estimates, okay? So this is going to be going on forever until you finish up everything. Make sure you don't include the windows. Make sure you don't include these. Just include the exterior stucco, okay? I'm gonna pause my video and I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the end. All right, now that we got all this outside layer measured, I wanna just point out something. I did this parapet wall. Okay, so finish measurement. You see, I did this parapet wall once, and then I did this another time. This piece right here overlapped because this piece from behind, if I look at this section right here on 332, 4 on 332, this wall goes all the way behind, like this, right behind it where the roof is, and this one goes on top of it. All right. So after you go and you do all this exterior, make it look pretty like this. You see how all the lines are very precise. We're gonna get into these interior balconies, all right? And that's gonna be on the next video.